Question number first. Who was the first Mughal empire of the India? Answer. Babur. In which year Mughal empire was established? Answer. 1526. Who was the last emperor of Mughal empire? Answer. Bahadur Shah II. Who was the greatest ruler of Mughal empire? Answer. Akbar. Question number 5. The most famous musician at the court of Akbar was? Answer. Ram Tanu Pandey. Question number 6. Who was the commander in chief of Akbar? Answer. Bairam Khan. Who wrote Humayun name? Answer. Gulbadan Begum. Akbar died in? Answer. 1605. What does the name Akbar mean? Answer. Great. Akbar's tutor was? Answer. Bairam Khan. Question number 11. Who was the chief architect of the Taj Mahal? Answer. Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Who built Taj Mahal in Agra? Answer. Shah Jahan. Question number 13. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Answer. Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India? Answer. Ram Nath Kovind. Question number 15. Who is the Vice President of India? Answer. The Vice President of India is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the Finance Minister of India? Answer. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 17. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer. Hirakund Dam. Question number 18. Which is the national tree of India? Answer. Banyan tree. Question number 19. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer. Kalnai Dam. Question. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer. Goa. Question number 21. Which is the largest state in India? Answer. Rajasthan. Question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer. Indira Gandhi. The national river of India. Answer. Ganga. Question number 24. What is the capital of Bihar? Answer. Patna. Question number 25. How many cricket World Cups has India won? Answer. 2 World Cup has India won. Question 26. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer. Mumbai. Question number 27. 1 kilogram equal how many grams? Answer. 1000 grams. Which is the national animal of India? Answer. Tiger. Which is the largest glacier of India? Answer. Gangotri Glacier. What is the name of our galaxy? Answer. Milky Way Galaxy. Question 31. Who is the father of nation? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Question. What is the name of Indian flag? Answer. Tiranga. Question number 33. Where is the Uller Lake situated in India? Answer. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 34. USA, what is the currency of it? Answer. Dollar. Question. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer. Shah Jahan. Question number 36. Who is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer. Arctic Ocean. Who composed the Indian national anthem? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga. In which country was paper invented? Answer: China. How many spokes are in Ashok Chakra? Answer: 24 spokes. Question number 41. Childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Answer: Siddharth Gautama. Question 42. Radio was invented by? Answer: G. Marconi. Question: Brass is a mixture of? Answer: Copper and zinc. The longest river of Europe is? Answer: Volga River. Question 45. Who is called the father of Indian cinema? Answer: Dada Saheb Phalke. Question 46. The Nobel Prize was first awarded in? Answer: 1901. Who was the first defense minister of India? Answer: Sardar Baldev Singh. Question: First Indian to win an Oscar award? Answer: Bhanu Athaiya. A study of fruit is called? Answer: Promology. Question number 50. The only team to have 5 IPL trophies? Answer: Mumbai Indians.